Today there is some awareness program regarding radiations. For checking radiations, government of India Telecommunication Department has got an agency. It's called Termcell. So they also check. The telecommunication companies have initiated this issue, so we have sent our representatives in there.
If I'm not wrong, in Goa we have 700 such towers.
700?
Yeah.
It may be including villages, cities?
Yes, villages, cities, everything.
And when you all have started?
They started from the right cellular operation.
No, putting up this new towers.
New towers is not 700.
How many?
We are, I don't know which. It depends. It is an expansion process. See, towers are not constant. See, as the traffic increases, as the new technology comes, every time the number of towers will increase.
What is the number of customers that Reliance has in the state?
No, it's
regarding to Reliance you're talking about?
No, this is whole industry. There is no Reliance, nothing over here. We are talking about all the whole industry. This is from a telecom industry body called Cellular Operators Association of India.
So this is not as far as Reliance is concerned?
This is not as far as Reliance is concerned. It just happened we are standing here, but it is not Reliance.
So this awareness is created on
Cellular Operators Association of India.
So
we are not representing any company. I am the body, I am the principal advisor for cellular operators. Permissions is one more aspect to it. It has several states has several rules, regulation. Some states have policies, some doesn't have policies, some have policy which is very dominant, some policies we are objected. There are several reasons for that. Okay.
Are you aware there were certain issues that were created?
There are always issues. Okay, it's not only restricted to Goa. All the places in India, there are always issues. I'm telling, but let's not go because we want to create the awareness on the radiation part. Let's make it a point that we talk more on the radiation policies. Yes, we are also requesting the state government to define a policy.
The state government has not defined
not defined a policy because they have defined only monitoring policy, which is done by Pollution Control Board, which we are abiding to it.
So does it create a problem for you all when you all?
Definitely, we want a policy because we want to. We need 500 towers more in 1 year. We need a policy. We need a better system for us to approval